Proxmox VE has been making waves in the virtualization world, but is it really the best option out there? Today we're diving into what makes Proxmox tick and whether it's worth your time and investment. Proxmox VE is an open source virtualization platform designed to manage virtual machines and containers seamlessly. At its core, it combines KVM for full virtualization and LXC for lightweight container-based virtualization. Right off the bat, the web-based management interface stands out, making it user-friendly even for those new to virtualization. You can create, manage, and monitor your virtual environments from a single dashboard, which is pretty convenient. What's particularly impressive is the integrated backup and restore functionality, allowing you to protect your data without much hassle. Plus, the clustering feature enables you to manage multiple nodes effortlessly, ensuring high availability for your applications. However, while the platform is robust, some users might find the initial setup a bit daunting, especially if you're not familiar with Linux systems. Overall, Proxmox caters to both small businesses and larger enterprises looking for a reliable virtualization solution, but there are definitely areas that could benefit from clearer documentation. When it comes to the pros, Proxmox VE shines with its cost effectiveness, since it's free to use with a strong community backing. The flexibility of running both VMs and containers is another major plus, making it versatile for various workloads. However, some users may hit roadblocks with its steep learning curve, particularly during the initial setup. Another potential downside is the lack of official support unless you opt for a subscription, which might not sit well with those who prefer a more hands-on approach to customer service. Moreover, while the community is active, the documentation can sometimes leave you wanting more, especially when troubleshooting complex issues. If you're a beginner or looking for a more straightforward solution, you might want to explore alternatives. But for those with some technical know-how, Proxmox can be a powerful ally in virtualization. In conclusion, Proxmox VE is a solid choice for users who need a flexible and cost-effective virtualization platform, particularly if you're comfortable navigating a more technical setup. If you're looking for simplicity or require extensive support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's definitely worth considering if you're ready to dive into virtualization.